here are the types of emails, the automated emails that you put inside an autoresponder that needs to go out. Autoresponder is basically a software that allows you to send out automated emails to your database. Okay, so if I did say that and it sounds like a funny jargon, I hope you understand where I'm coming from. So the first one is called the welcome email. The welcome email basically welcome them the first time they register for your free offer. So the welcome email basically confirms to them that they have registered successfully and everything is good to go. Next is called the checking in email. The checking in email is the email that goes out the next day. The checking in email is basically, hey, how's things going on? And it's to check with them, is everything okay or not, right? And the third one is called the story email. The story email, it is where you write a story, not storytelling to entertain them, but for marketing purpose, so that they can understand your characteristic, they can understand your brand further. So let me repeat. When they request for your free offer, they will receive the welcome email automatically. The next day, they'll receive the checking in email. And then after that, they'll receive the story email. The story email doesn't go automatically the next day. It could go in, or should I say, send out, say 2 days later on, which means, let's say, if they request for your free offer, let's say on Monday, right? So they receive the welcome email. On Tuesday, they'll receive the checking in email. But the story email doesn't have to go out on Wednesday. It can go out on Thursday, or it can even go out on Friday. So it depends on your niche market and depends on how aggressive you want to be and so on. And this is more tactical. So we are not going to say, hey, you got to do it 2 days later, 3 days later, and so on. There will be a specific strategy that we'll discuss further. And then there will be the call to action, one email, where this email goes out to promote a specific product to monetize your database. And then there's the social proof email. The social proof email basically enhance your free offer to provide social proof to let them know, hey, you know, this series of training program, it is really good, right? And then the sixth one, it is the call to action to email, which means that in this sequence of email promotion, there will be 2 emails that goes out to them to promote a specific product. And then the last one is called the content emails. And the content emails goes in between all of these emails. So the content emails basically delivers the training that you promised to them. So for instance, if let's say you have video training, then you have video 1 email, video 2 email, video 3 email, and so on. So let's say if you have like 10 videos, then there'll be 10 content emails. So from this basic framework, let's say you do 8 issues or 8 videos, right? Depending on PDF or videos that you do, which means 8 plus with welcome email, checking in email, story email, call to action 1 email, social proof email, call to action 2 emails, which means 8 plus 6, there will be by default 14 emails that is set inside the autoresponder to go out automatically. So when this is done in automation, it means that regardless of when a subscriber requests for a free offer and subscribed it, this person will receive these 14 emails in the proper sequence at whatever time and whatever day that they come in. And the software manage all of these so that you are not behind the computer sending out Gmail emails and something like that. It is all done by the software. And this is what I call follow-up email sequence. Now, this is not broadcast email. This is not email marketing, broadcast and so on. That will be like a whole different strategy. This is something that we set up when we want to get started. Because when someone register for your free offer, we need to set this up so that they start to receive emails by default.